welcome to the final Vlogmas. I can't believe it. We have come to this point. We have come, at the moment, we are 21 days of Vlogmas. I actually cannot believe it. Maybe I might vlog afterwards, who knows, but guys, this has been a journey and I have loved every minute of it. I haven't loved the editing, but I've loved the videos. I've loved making them. I love sharing my life, and I love chatting with you guys. But the editing part kind of sucks. But I'm with my sister. We are having a cozy pajama day because that's what Christmas is all about. And yeah, I thought today's vlog, we have zero plans of going anywhere, and I'm pretty sure most people are the same. Like, it's manic in London and we just want to stay in our little cocoon, watch Disney movies, have some snacks. I'm also going to be baking some treats, and what else are we going to do? We're going to have some Baileys. That's definitely a Christmas affair. Cheese and crackers. Cheese and crackers. We've got our whole movie lined up, so we're going to do Shrek because that's just a feel good movie. What else did you want to do today? Did you say Jack Frost?
Jack Frost, we could do
Jack Frost. We want to maybe do either the Polar Express. That's a good one. And maybe The Man Who Invented Christmas. That might be a good one. You know what I do love, and I was watching it earlier. It is such a cheeseball movie, but I love it. Chicken Run. Don't you love Chicken Run?
That's a good one, actually.
I was watching that earlier and I was like, this reminds me of my childhood. So yeah, I am in my Serena Days pajamas, her all wrapped up pajamas. Sam, do you want to give them your pajama of the day? Okay. Stand there, right by the tree, okay?
Mine is Letesco.
Letesco. This is a really nice one.
It's
it's satin. You can't really get the shine, but does it have pockets?
No.
No pockets, but it has a pocket at the front.
Little pocket.
And I love the
Very
Oxford style. Very Christmassy.
Very Christmassy. This
This reminds me of the Neom new sweet collection for Christmas. You need to see it. It's very.
It's Tesco.
It's nice. It's traditional Christmas, like candy colours, like peppermint. Yeah, or candy cane. We are going. Okay, we're gonna have a Baileys and watch a few Christmas movies, and then the idea is, right, I want to make cinnamon rolls. I feel like I've been saying this the entirety of Vlogmas, and guys, I've just been editing it out because I've just not been doing it. Oh, you know what else, Sam? You need to have my famous hot chocolate.
Yes. Or you could put Baileys in the hot chocolate.
Or we could put Baileys in the hot chocolate. But I made one for Paul yesterday and he loved it. So maybe we could do a hot choc. But right now we're gonna have a cheeky glass of Baileys. We've got some mulled wine as well. Oh, you don't like? Okay, I might have some mulled wine. And we're just gonna get festive together. We might even do, and I'm trying to get my sister to jump on board, we might even do our 2025 vision boards. Right, so Sam thought this really great idea that we're gonna do a candy cane rim around the glass of Baileys. And we've got ice in the fridge as well. That's fine.
It's actually working.
Is it working?
It is.
Great, yeah. I don't have, what are they called? A pestle and mortar. Is it not? The basher thing. I don't know what they call it.
That's very specific. Is that what it's called?
I think it's called a pestle and mortar. Let me know in the comments below. I could have just made that up. That could also be a skincare brand. Oh my god, it's really good.
Okay, now we need a little side plate.
Let's do that with a hot chocolate as well. day. So I'm gonna have an hour of chill, watch a movie, and then we're gonna watch, and then I'm gonna make cinnamon roll. You can continue watching movies, and I need to make them. I've just been like enjoying watching movies and catching up because we're not actually going to be, let me sit down actually, because we're actually not going to be seeing each other on Christmas Day. So this is kind of like our little, just like sister togetherness. I probably won't even see you until the new year. So we've been busy just chatting. We're gonna have some food now. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Obviously I wish I could tell you all in person, but I just don't know if this will come up on Christmas Day or not. But yeah, I hope you guys are having a lovely Christmas no matter what you're doing. Please let me know if you're spending it with family, your loved ones, friends, your local community. If you're volunteering, leave it in the comments below. But you guys have been so amazing. I feel like this past month on Vlogmas have just been the best on my YouTube career. It has been so lovely, and I've got to meet so many different, well, when I say meet, virtually meet so many lovely subscribers, and you guys have just shown me so much love and support during Vlogmas, and I honestly can't thank you guys enough. Hopefully I'll be able to do more vlogs in the new year. Just want to say Merry Christmas and have a Happy New Year. We're gonna have some dinner and then I will make my cinnamon rolls, so we'll do that together for sure. If it doesn't happen now, if it doesn't happen at the end of Vlogmas, I don't know when it will ever happen. It just means the universe is telling me I'm not a baker, I'm not a cooking girly, I'm just one to enjoy food basically. And honestly, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. It is finally time I make my cinnamon rolls, and I'm sorry to disappoint you. I feel like it's very anticlimactic, but I am literally just going to use Just Roll, a pre-done cinnamon roll. You would think with these cinnamon swirls, Smith cinnamon rolls, that I'll do, like, they literally take no time at all, but I'm just not a cooking girly, you know. So this is what I'm gonna do. It looks pretty simple. You open it, the can will pop open, you will twist the can to remove the dough, unroll the dough and spread the cinnamon filling. Okay, so maybe there is some making involved. And then starting from one end, I need to cut and then put them in a baking tray and then place in the middle shelf for 10 to 14 minutes. Perfect. Okay, I can do that. She's relaxing. She's about to watch a movie, and I have actually been on the Lush website. Lush is obviously doing their big annual Boxing Day sale. I have never participated in a Lush Boxing Day sale, but I have been getting into Lush products recently, and especially some of like their body sprays and body lotions. I just really like it. I don't feel like it irritates my skin. I don't come out in a rash or anything like that, but it just leaves my skin feeling just nice and smooth and lovely scented. I love the Sticky Dates collection, but I thought, everyone talks about like Snow Fairy and everyone talks about Yognog, and they only come out at Christmas time. They're a limited edition collection. So yeah, I literally was like, after dinner, sat on the sofa and I was just basically putting everything in my basket that I want to buy. So this is like my wish list. And then I think I've been watching some videos and everyone's been giving like tips and tricks on how to shop the Lush Boxing Day sale. And some people have said just wake up early, try the website. But they do say the website and the app are very unreliable and they are like prone to glitching. So we shall see if I wake up early and go through the app, or I just go into a Lush store, which I'm not too fussed about. I've got one near me, so might just wake up early and go. I've heard some people say that they've made friends while they've been waiting in the queue, and they see each other every year in the Boxing Day queue for Lush, and I was like, oh, that's so sweet. And maybe I will just go queue, have a little mooch, see what I can get. I don't want to spend a lot, but I just want to see what they have. So that's what I've been doing. Basically flapping around when I should be editing this vlog and getting it up for you guys. Let's make ourselves a nice little treat and maybe have a cup of tea with a cinnamon swirl and then watch a nice movie. Person. Oh my good lord. When it says it will pop open, they're not joking. That scared the crap out of me. The dough just... What do I do with it now? Just had a little taste, and I know I might have been cheating, but they're actually really good. They're really nice and yummy, and my sister wants to try some even though she doesn't like cinnamon rolls. She said she's gonna have some, so I think we're gonna have one of these, and then we're gonna have another cheeky glass of Baileys, because why not? It's Christmas. We're not gonna have a cup of tea, we're gonna have a Baileys and a cinnamon roll. I'm gonna end the vlog here. Thank you so much for watching. I cannot believe I'm saying this. This is the last Vlogmas. I'm so sad already that the fact that probably the next time you see me, there will be no Christmas trees, no fairy lights in the background. And that honestly makes me so sad, but you know what? It's onward and up. Let's bring in the new year full of joy, with aspiration and motivation. And that's all we can really hope for and wish for and pray for. Thank you so much guys for watching. Honestly, all of you mean so much to me. Have a wonderful Christmas and a prosperous new year. I'll see you guys in 2025.